What is more refreshing than having a nice Nigerian buns to chew with a relaxing juice? Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are making a very easy recipe of Nigerian buns with just few ingredients. We have our flour, our sugar, baking powder, milk flavor, and just 2 raw eggs to make this delicious recipe. Please, if today is the first time you are passing by my channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more. We are mixing our flour, baking powder, milk flavor, and a little bit of salt with sugar for the dry parts of it. Now in another bowl, we are going to actually beat the eggs. Just 2 raw eggs you need for this recipe. You are going to beat these eggs in a separate bowl and turn them into the dry flour that you have mixed with your other ingredients, which is the little baking powder, the milk flavor, the sugar, and the salt. So combine and mix very well. You can see I'm using my bare hands and maybe for a start a spoon, but I prefer using my bare hands to mix this buns so it can be mixed very well. You can use spoon, you can use other scoop, but me, I prefer to use my hands because it is better using my hands. I can feel the combining. Guys, this is a very nice recipe, an easy recipe, easy way to mix and do a Nigerian sweet buns. Do not over mix with water. Just put a little water because you need it to be thick, and you need it for to be thick so that you can be able to cut it to the hot oil. Leave it to rise a little. Achieve this consistency when you are mixing, and cover to rise a little, maybe just for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on how you want yours to be. So, and keep doing it. Over here I'm done with waiting for it, and in another pot or your frying pan, heat up some oil on medium heat and start to scoop your buns batter, Nigerian buns batter, the type of size you want, and fry to golden brown. Although here I do not have much oil, so my buns is supposed to float in it, but then it can be managed because the taste is out of this world. And here is it, guys. Very easy recipe. 3 to 5 minutes, your Nigerian buns is ready. You can enjoy it with any fruit juice. You can enjoy it with any soda or water. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to like and comment. Have you done Nigerian buns yourself before, or is this your first time seeing it, or you don't like this recipe? Share with us your opinion about it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.